Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so I was asked the other day what type of seasoning do I use. So I just thought I'd show you guys the seasoning. I use this man's seasoning right here, Spice King. Let me tell you folks, if you haven't tried the Spice King seasoning yet, definitely pick yourself up one. The taste is amazing. It makes your food taste amazing. It's just perfect for whatever you need. There's actually more spices too, but this shelf at the moment does not have them. But trust me, definitely pick yourself up this Spice King. Finish buying yourself the Spice King seasoning. Don't forget to subscribe to the Kool Zone on YouTube. Thank you. Kool Zone out. All she gotta do is sing okay. All my past memories erased. Now it's time for new ones. It's sunny days. Open up your mind, feel what the chorus say. Come have a talk with me. Come have a talk with me.